2009 Toyota Corolla. Crankshaft position sensor. So here you have to remove the right side front wheel. Take out this cover out. Okay, so you can see the crankshaft pulley here. This one is the compressor, and this is the one. So before removing any electronic circuits, you have to remove the battery, the negative terminal out from the battery, right? So you have to use your hands through the wheel arch and go this way and hold it here. All right, so there is the connector is here, then press it and pull it off. That's the way. Okay, all right, so this 10 millimeters bolt out, this one a bit of wiggle, take it out like that. All right, Toyota, the brand is always, you can see Denso. All right, use a little bit of WD-40. Okay, wait for 5 minutes. This one here, make sure the rubber washer is intact. Putting it in, and the bolt, 10 millimeter bolt. Okay, so righty tighty. This connection back on. You hear that click noise? So this is done. It's completely cleaned, and put that back on. So you have to put the battery terminal back on and make sure the work is done. That's it. Have a wonderful day, guys.